Market is open. Okay, the market is open. Market is open. Okay, I made some trades earlier. Pre-market, well, like 5 in the morning. Got up and saw this channel. Took a couple of shorts to the bottom of this channel. Took it again. So I was trying to get to 76 S1, but this channel just kept bouncing off this channel. Didn't get to it. I didn't play any longs into the channel. So the market just opened. Up here, VWAP. $97. We've been rejected 97 today. 97 back down to 85. That's where 97 has been getting rejected to 85 up in here. Off of value area low. We've been rejecting this area. Rejected, rejected. And come right back down to this area that I got shaded from a while back. So it became dipped out over and under this area, but it's been in this area. We got Trump supposed to have been speaking at 9:30. I'm not sure if he even started yet, or if he could be speaking all day or any time of the day rather. Then we got 10 o'clock. So I want to get 90. Let me see what's the high it is. 90. I tested 7,600. Didn't stay above it. Don't know where we're gonna go. Just waiting around for it's a F1C day. 10:30. I think about possibly trading crude oil at 10:30. Trading the news. I have a setup that I like to trade. I haven't traded in a while, but it's a news trade. How I trade crude oil. I could give it a shot. Still rejected 97. We got point of control, VWAP, 50 moving average, and pivot point all up here. Let's see if it makes a different channel, up channel here. I've been taking it short at 90. So 90, I've been trying to get this to this 79, but it hasn't made it. But that's where my trades come from. Short in 89, in that 90, 50 to 89 level area. Every time it breaks, I took the break. Every time it breaks, I take it down, but it hasn't hit 79. I didn't take it here. Did I take it here? I took it back when the market took it back here, 90 break. I think I took it here. Let's see. Flow. I want the charts. I want the charts. Everything. Show. Markers only. So this is where I took it. I took a short here. Took a short here and got out around here. It came down, then it stopped me out. I trailed down, stopped out. Got short here, got short here, trailed it down, got stopped out. Trail and stop, got stopped out. Trail and stop here, got stopped out here. Came down, and then these long dumps I don't really like because I want consistent, so I can trail it down easier. It's hard to trail one long bar. But those were the trades I made earlier before the market opened. $85. It's been bouncing off this 85. It dipped below 85, but this 85 break is now it's looking at possibly, this is previous days or low, prior close. Okay, that's a prior close. We look at the 79 right here, and this is where's that 85? 85 was on the daily chart. That's the weekly. That's the weekly. So on the daily chart, the prior close is here. We got the low at 83, and we got the close of this bar 87.25, and this is that 85. It's also a pivot. Is it a pivot or just a close? Previous day's close right here, 85. Right here, the high is 85.25. So this is where we've been bouncing off of in the pre-markets. So there's a trend line that I drew on a daily. It's just these 2 points. Don't know if they're gonna break them, but the low 78. My target was 79, so I think it may touch it this time. May go. This may have been a trade I'm looking for that I've been taking all morning. The break of 90, really 89 to 79. I'm trying to get this 10 points, but now it may go. Now it may go. First target. So I was following this channel down, but like I always show, go back in previous videos, if it's gonna hit a target, most likely it's gonna be inside the channel. So you have to wait till it gets inside the channel. If we get above 85, now will that 85 become resistance? It was support. Now will that 85 become resistance? That's 85, 85. Go over to 85. I'm going to take over the 85 and just see if we get a bounce over that 85. Nope. Can we get it over the 85? And it's the trend line, so no. Still to the downside. I thought we might get a bounce over 85. That's what I was hoping. But this trend line is holding now. It's inside the trend line. As high as 86.25. I'm gonna take it again. If it takes that 85. See, over 85. I'm trying to see if we get over 85, and I may be pushing it. We've been bouncing over this 85, so I'm hoping that we can kind of get back over the 85. No. No. So I don't know where it's going now, and I don't want to take a short down here. So now I'm out of ideas, because I don't want to get short down here. I'm not trying to get short down here. If it pulled back, I'm gonna come back down. I should, but I'm not getting short down here. Does it want to? Take it again. I'm trying to take it again. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll move my stop up. Come on. Let's go. It's a little shaky. I was hoping for that pop to 90, but let's see. Let me take this off. I was looking for that pop to 20. I mean to 90. Okay. I was trying to get thought it was gonna have some momentum up into 90, but how far did we go? 89. Got some volatility here. A lot of shaking. A lot of shaking. I'm just wait. I don't have a channel. Got another regular 89. Don't have a line to match this with anywhere, like in the uptrend. VWAP. I want to see if it gets back up to 7,600 and how it reacts now. 7,600. We got news coming out. $8:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30 crude inventories. President Trump speaks 10:45, and then 2 o'clock. We know 2 o'clock is going to be crazy. So all day we're going to have some volatility. Seems like the plan is just to reject off of by all this resistance up here. If it's gonna get the S down here to 62, we need to be inside this channel, or there's a bigger channel. I see. Is there a bigger channel? Okay, let's see. This top follows this right here, so I'm gonna keep this line. But we can have a channel on the backside. We can have a channel on the backside. On this side, we got a channel on this side too. Let me see. Trying to see. Okay, let's disrespected this line, so, and this also comes down to this, so I'm trying to get the line that comes through here and also down to this line. I'm gonna still keep this because this is the first point for the channel, so I'm gonna keep that and see if we want to get to S3, we have to get in here, which will be about 12:30, so around 12:30, 1 o'clock. If this channel holds. If not, we just have to go with the bigger channel and just say we're in this big channel and see if it gets down here or breaks these levels on a bigger channel. Got one touch, got two touches here, disrespected from this here touch, this top, then hit the top and made it, then could draw the line for this channel and respected it here, and this is kind of, and not kind of, but this is where the resistance is holding right here. So we can just be chopping in here before we make, if we want to get above 7600, but then we got 76.7 around 6.7, and we got 76.11 as resistance. In order to get to the 21, we got to get through these levels. And this right here is my 200 moving average. So we got some resistance up here, and we got some support at the 85 level. It broke, didn't test the 76. I kept saying 79 because that's my target was at 79, but the S1 is 76. That's why I was saying 79 earlier, but yeah. So we'll see where this wants to go, how this plays out. So I'm not taking any I'm not taking any trades right now. Sorry. If anything, it could get tricky because I want to sell resistance, but this day can get tricky where it just fakes out, where the resistance can get plummeled through. This would be the good area to short. That 7600, 7607. Just gotta be careful with this price action because we came and took out orders under here. If there was some liquidity under here, it could get squeezed out. It could get squeezed out. And if we follow this minor trend here, then to get up to 05, we need to be around 1130, unless it just does some type of pop. V shape, come down straight up, V shape bottom, back up into 7600. This area. But now that we delta is going, volume is green, but average volume $96, $97. $97. Like I said, this is the area to short well, that has been getting rejected. But now that we did this dump, the shakeout bar, and we ran back up, we could barcode red, green, red, but this is bullish. But did we get to 97? We went to 98. I didn't even see that 98. $7,600. $98. Yeah, it's holding, so it may get that push a little higher. Not sure. I'm just not have conviction that this is going to turn. This is going to turn around. This is a W pattern also. Got a nice W pattern. $98.25. It's holding up. I like the short, but we up against resistance. Not sure if we trap the shorts and then get a blast through. Maybe not. I'm just not or we may just stay up in this area. Trying to hold up off of VWAP. Point of control here also. 95. You see this volume profile here. We've been trading in between here, building up. Here, so see, yeah. Not sure we'll hold up, but I'm gonna see if we get up into so we got delta going higher. Volume is staying consistent. Stochastics can get making lower highs. Made a high, made a low high, but we came down. Look like it's trying to, creep up. Look like it's trying to creep up, like it's trying to get through it. Look like it's trying to get through all that. And I'm tempted to short this area here. But I don't want to be that one that gets spiked out. I don't want to be the one that gets squeezed out of here if it go. And I don't want to be the one in the long either. It can go, but I don't want to be in the long. But I don't want to get squeezed. This is 76. $98. Okay, did we get up over? Did we get over? 78.93. It's at 80. 78.93. That's why I have numbers here, but I don't really be looking at the number. I've been looking at the line. It's 80. This is 80. This is 20. It didn't get over 80. I'm tempted to sell it, but I don't want to get run over. I do not want to get run over. See where we can go. It's kind of backwards, but if we break out, 76.19 is the target. Just a measured move of this being the same measured, this move down, and this being the same movement up from the break at the top, from the breakout. They give us that 76.18. There we go. We got some resistance at 70. I mean at 7. I don't want to short it now. And if anything, I want to see a cycle. This could stay up and keep going, but I want to see a cycle come down and then go back up. If we have a cycle where this comes down, price comes down a little bit, and then we turn up, and maybe the next cycle will take us higher. But that's what I'm looking at. 05 at the top of this box. 05. Some people may take this IB trade. The initial balance is high as 7,625. 7,625. So if you're trying to stay out of here, 7,625 is the top of the initial balance. It's back in the initial balance. Initial balance is 76.25. Show you on this chart here. Initial balance is 76. This is the initial balance, 7,625. Not sure if this is going to stay over 7,600. Not sure. So we over value, we in between value area high. This could be support. This area could be support. 95. Value area high could be support. Look, you got rejection up and down, so we dipped out of that channel, but that trend line we dipped out. What's this low? This low is 97. Trying to hold up. Trying to hold up. What time is it? 10:30. 10:30 is about. Well, the okay. It's holding around here. We're above value area high. Non-moving average VWAP. 200 moving. Does that become support now? We break the 97.25. Did it break 97.25? No, it tested 97.25. Didn't break it. Okay, there we go. Did it break it? Is it gonna hold it? $96. Is it holding at 97.25? That's the question. It's trying to hold the 97.25. If I can get 1 to 96. I wanted 96.
Order canceled.
You know what? Get a bounce. Are we gonna get some type of bounce? No. Under VWAP. Back to VWAP, a bounce. Over and under VWAP. Okay, back to VWAP. Let's see if if that was a shakeout for the longs. If that is shakeout for the longs, come get a dip below. Was that a dip for the longs to get long? That's what I'm trying to check out. I don't want to try to chase it down here. Let's get a push back up and then a roll over. Not gonna get it. Didn't get in there. Missed the trade. That was the short. Now gotta wait for a pullback. My short from here. 97, the break of all this here. So now I have to wait. It's going to take a minute. If we come back into this channel, I had to wait for the break at 6. But in order to get to this to 62, was 42. Close is 52. In order to get 61, right? It's a weekly chart. So it's the weekly low is 67. So we're gonna have, if we do close, the open was 80. So if we break 80, 77, if we break this 70, 76 and come back into this area, this box here, we have to break maybe they came to get these orders up here for the squeeze lower, but they got the orders down here for the squeeze higher. So let's see, we at 83 now. Oh, we broke 85. 4-hour bar, the 4-hour bar close 81, open is 81. We can get a bounce down here, 81. S2 is in here? How did S2 get in this channel? Did we say we had to wait to get in this channel? Oh, I built a bigger channel from here. If we stay in this channel here, and if we break 71, we break 71, we get down to S61, 76. If we break 76, we get to 61. Missed this short back under VWAP. I have to start practicing on putting in trades. Limit orders to work on placing limit orders. We got orders down 230 at 80. So somebody is hoping at 80, they can buy that 80 up. Okay. They're trying to step in here. Okay. Looking for that break. Okay. 77. 76 was my target, and that's came right back into this area that I got boxed in. I'm not getting long. I'm not getting long though. Okay, they're gonna break. It came break. Okay, I want to, if it keep breaking, come on, I want to take the break if it keeps breaking. Okay, so it dipped and broke and then bounced. that 80 just open is 80 and a quarter. The open is 80 and a quarter. The weekly open is 80 and a quarter. If we come back down, if we come back down, 80 and a quarter is that so now it's going to bounce back. Here we get to 74, 74. Miss my short up here, so had me going short at the bottom. Had me going short at the bottom. Look at this. Do we get his shoulders, the head, and his shoulders open? Is another breakdown? Missed a very good trade from the top there. This is 10.74 to 85, 10-point bounce. Forward. $85 to $90. That was the earlier trade. I got stopped out on twice. Okay, so there we go. I hit my target, so now we're they hit my target for the day. Do we keep going down more? This definitely. So it tested the bottom of the channel, and I didn't. Not good trading. If we come back down, this low is what, 73. So hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully that's not support. That's going to pop up. 73. Yeah. It was support. So that should have been a purchase, and then a short, right? And back down again. I think we still go down. Okay. I'm staying out. I'm just all my ideas and trades for the day has played out, so I think I'm just still short biased on this. Just when there's the short. Was that trying to V-shaped recovery? What's going on?
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm at 79. Come on, break the 80. Come on, break the 80. 79 break. Okay, I'm done for the day. No more trading for the day. This is they got. I got myself. Just. We gonna keep going low, but let's see. We keep popping. We're going down. Come on, we're going down. We're going down. 75. 75. Come on. Coming back down. Coming back down. Come on. And my copy trader wasn't on. Come on. 75. Come on. Let's go. Nope. It's gonna fight. It's gonna fight. 74.
Order submitted.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Cracking. Okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go down, 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 baby, down. Down, down, down. We gonna go, but now I just gotta keep my stops too tight. That's the problem. Hold up, I'm still in profit.
Orders filled.
Had to close the order, I was still in the position.
Orders filled.
Am I gonna get it, or we gonna 71? Did the 83 hold? No.
Orders filled.
I'm done. I'm not fighting this no more. I'm out. I should have just quit while I was ahead earlier. I didn't. So I'm quitting now, which is probably too late. Talk to y'all tomorrow.